to our latest episode of SBA Today. Coming up this week, tax time is looming. Have you begun tax planning? Also, do you have a marketing horror story? What should you look for when searching for a marketing agency? And finally, we discuss opportunities outsourcing can bring to your startup. With around 4 months until tax time, if you haven't already, it's a great time to commence your tax planning. Tax planning should be an ongoing focus year-round, not left until the last minute sometime in June. Tax planning has many benefits: improved cash flow and control over your money. The added focus on reporting can also drive improved tracking of goals as well as better informed decision-making. SBA's group entity partner, strategic tax and accounting consultants, have the insight and nous to get your tax planning in order. For more information, contact us today. More and more Australian small businesses are being stung by digital marketing agencies setting unrealistic expectations and not delivering. In many instances, with only an elementary understanding of marketing and what outcomes are possible, an agency can say whatever they like to get an unsuspecting client on board. An investigation from the ACCC, the Digital Platforms Inquiry Report, recommended the creation of a Digital Platforms Ombudsman scheme to address complaints and disputes with digital platform providers. In reference to the investigation, Small Business Ombudsman Kate Carnell pointed out that unrealistic expectations and unfair contracts are almost the norm when it comes to marketing in Australia. Her office deals with a small number of cases each year, which are seemingly the tip of the iceberg of a more widespread problem. When addressing the growing problem, Carnell explained the courts aren't an option because the amounts of money aren't really big enough to warrant a court case. So mostly these entities just get away with outlandish promises that are not delivered on. She went on to mention the ACCC can go after these companies if they're engaging in misleading and deceptive conduct, which they probably are. The problem is getting enough evidence. So, what should you look for when searching for a marketing agency? The first thing to know, marketers aren't magicians. If they're simply offering vague promises of huge increases in sales or conversions, be wary. A good marketer will communicate exactly what they plan to do. They'll focus on regular, ongoing results and milestones, not just an impressive big picture. Your understanding of your business, industry, and client profile is paramount. It should form the basis of any good marketing strategy. You start the story, not the other way around. Case studies are important. A 5-star rating on an agency's website shouldn't be the basis of your decision-making. Real-world examples of positive client experiences and delivered results should be your focus. Don't be afraid to engage with an agency's other clients. The cost of marketing is more than just financial. An unsuccessful campaign will also cost you time and missed opportunities. And finally today, are you aware of opportunities that outsourcing can bring to your startup? As a startup entrepreneur, you know the drill. Work never ends. It's 24/7. The race is on to make your idea evolve into scalable revenue. Always chasing investors to raise funds. In this environment, do you really have time to do the books, the admin, do all the marketing, and be the IT guru? Outsourcing saves you valuable opportunity cost, allows you to focus on business development and revenue generation all of the time. With around 20% of startups failing in the first 12 months and most of the remaining folding within 3 years, the need of being nimble and expert in everything you do can be close to impossible for any sole operator. The main reasons of a startup failure generally relate to cash flow, growing too fast, as well as a lack of knowledge. With outsourcing, you can grow as fast as necessary, backed by a multi-skilled team, all whilst minimizing the costs associated with normal business growth. To explore how outsourcing can supercharge your startup, speak with us today.